Yeah, no, I mean, I'm very grateful, and obviously thank the Lord for spoiling us with this victory, and just His grace. I think credit to the leaders of the team. Half time, a lot of the senior guys stood up and said, that we can't control the result, but we can control if we're going to go in our shells or do we going to play hard. And my only thing was, guys, we're 21-10 down. I only ask one thing: let's go score the first try. If we score the first try and it's 21-17, then we're in the game. And the boys responded to that. They went out and we scored the first try, and then we saw the belief. But overall, the whole 80 minutes, although there was obviously not a good period in the first one, the boys were proud of the character they showed.
It seemed like one troubling aspect of your game, especially in the first half, was your midfield defense. Is that something that's a bit worrying for you as you head into the final?
We'll review it and we'll look at it. Obviously we had 2 yellow cards as well, so it does put a bit of strain on you, and especially when Andre went off, they exploited it quite well at the back. So it's something we'll look at. You must also credit Glasgow. They do run that launches of them very well, but it's definitely something we'll try and fix, Anami.
Thank you.
Thanks, Brent. Camilla.
Arthur, congratulations on the win. You spoke yesterday about the belief there. I take it that was the same belief that was in the coaching box when you guys were 21-3 down.
Yeah, I mean, I think, obviously we knew that we're in a fight, and I think we were disappointed in some of our breakdown work, and and the 2, like I just said, the 2 yellow cards didn't help. Glasgow is a quality attack team, and if you got people, a player short, you'll always struggle a bit. But the belief was there